Hey guys, before starting today's video, I would like to introduce you a little bit with Databricks. So Databricks is a platform where we can use our Spark. Basically at the learning stage, it is very helpful to start with Databricks to learn about Spark. So it's help us a lot. We don't have to integrate any environment inside our laptop or computer for Spark, and we can start easily without integrating anything specifically inside our laptop. So we will just search here Databricks Databricks Community Edition, and after going here I'll just go inside this, and then I'll just do sign up. I already have the account, so what I'll do here, I'll just show you how to do it. Here you will just give your email ID and then continue. Then here you will give a password of which you will give, pin code which you will get in your mail ID. So when you first time log in into the Databricks Community Edition, then you will click here in the new, and here you will get the notebook just like Jupyter notebook. You'll get here the notebook, and this notebook is Spark compatible, so you don't have to worry about any environment setup and all. But before that, I would like to mention here there is two type of sign up you will get while starting. One is free trial that will give you 30 days or 15 days free trial. Don't log in into that part. If you are a learner, just search Databricks Community Edition in the Chrome, and you will get the sign up option and sign up there. And when your notebook will open like this, here you can write your code in different type of option. Here you can check the option like Scala, SQL, Python. You will not get the option for Java here. So after that, here you have to go and you have to create a resource. So resource is basically the power or the system, how much power you want to contribute, give in your system. So you are using free edition, so for that you will get some limit, but just go ahead there and select the first one and then just attached it. It will take maybe few minutes, 1 to 3 minutes to attach your cluster here. Okay, and then when it will start, you can start working here. And we have different features like catalog here. So in catalog, here you can upload any file from your system. Like suppose here you will click here, and suppose I want to read this file here. So I'll just click here, so it got uploaded. Okay, and then you have to copy this link to read this file. Okay, and when you will go back, how you will go back to your notepad, just click in the workspace, and here you will get uh, your notepad which you had created. So I had created too many notepads, as you can see in my screen. Let's go below. Yes, last one is the notepad which I created today. So here you need to change the name, suppose demo 1 or something. I just gave a name. Then we want to read the file. So for that, I want to tell you one more thing, that we don't have to create a Spark object in Databricks, but still it's a good idea to create a Spark object and start your work. Okay, so for that I'll just I already have the Spark object here. I'll just We'll give you example how to read a file. So df equals to spark dot read dot csv dot here. I'm putting the file name, file path, and I'll just run it.
I hope you all log, at least sign up in Databricks Community Edition. Last day I told you.
Yes, Ganesh.
Okay, so in database community like this, your notebook will get created. Okay, I already pasted the comments here because we'll not have too much time to write here, then do it. So I already write it here. So first we'll learn how to create Spark session, which is very much important. Okay, here we saw, right, and in our architecture, we have we have to create Spark session. After submitting the job, it will create a Spark session, right? So here is the logic of creating Spark session. There is lots of more, but for now this will be enough for the understanding purpose. Creating Spark session object. Okay, we'll import this, the line I always memorize. Okay, so it is better to memorize this part. Okay, so this is the base part of Spark while working, start working. So we have to import PySpark. From PySpark.sql, we have to import Spark session, and we have to create a Spark object. Spark equals to Spark session dot builder dot app name dot get or create. In app name, you can mention any name related to your work, and that this is the basic condition of creating a Spark. There can be a lot more, but this is the basic one. Okay, let's jump into data frame. So yeah, after creating it, we'll just run it. Okay, so data frame, see, currently we are not reading any file, CSV file, Parquet file, or anything like that. So suppose we do this type of thing for the testing purpose. Suppose we are working on something, and Avranil, to you, suppose we are removing some name from the company name, some part from the company name, right? And we need to test that. So basically what I would do, I will take, for very beginning, I'll take five records. I'll create 5 records data like this way. So here you can see the tuple, right? So one tuple represent a row. Okay, here we have tuple. So 5 tuples inside this, that's mean 5 rows are there. Each data represent one column, like this the name column. Okay, and this the date column, and this the, suppose here it's salary column. Okay, I'll prepare, and I put all the tuple inside a list. Okay, guys who don't know Python, you will get to know what is list and tuple while you will uh, look into the Python. Here you can see the list, what is Python list. Okay, how to manipulate the list, what is tuple. Inside this you will get how to manipulate the tuple, say dictionary. This is the data types you have to understand. Okay, so then we are creating a column names. Okay, then here we are creating a data frame. So this is the way we created data frame basically. Okay, this is the basic options. Other than this, when we try to read a file, will come up that point later. Okay, so basically we create a data frame like this, spark dot create data frame. Here data equals to data, this file name, this data name where we have put the data. Schema equals to columns, here the columns names. Okay, we have provided, and when shift enter, and we'll get a data frame. Now we have a data frame. Now we have a data frame, and we want to see this. So yes, now I want to see, now I have created the data frame. Okay, and I want to see how my data frames looks like before working on that. Okay, so I'll run. See, this is how a data frame looks like. Basically, inside we have the column names. Yeah, column names. In particular column we have data. Suppose in middle name we have the middle name, last name, date of birth, gender, salary. Okay, I'll forward this sheet to you so that at least you can look into this deeper and get the understanding. Okay, I don't want to see all the data. I want to see only first two. Okay, so inside that I provided two. Yeah, can you see now in the screen? I am seeing only two records out of the five. Okay, and this option you will try by yourself and check what is happening. Okay, this five option, I'll forward this to you. Okay, now let's see select. Okay, I told you Spark also work like the same way almost the SQL work. This is the comment. I want to see, I want to collect all the data. Okay, I'll run this select. So this is just a showing purpose. Okay, and this is transformation. Select is a transformation. Okay, and this is a action. See, if I run only this without this, let's see what will happen. I told you, right? Spark doesn't execute anything until there is an action. So I only run transformation. See, I am not seeing anything, and it stored the transformation, but it did not perform the transformation. Okay, am I making sense, guys?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now I put a action here. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah. Now I'm getting this, right? Okay. What if I want to count? COUNT. See, I have five records, right? I get the count five. Okay. That's how transformation, action, and lazy evolution work. Okay. This offs. Okay. One more example. I want to see particular column of the data frame. Okay. I put here the names, first name, last name. Okay. I run it. See, out of the five columns, I am able to see only the columns I have specified here. Okay, this is again, this is a transformation and this is a action. Without action, a transformation will not perform, not get performed. Okay, this you will try by yourself. Okay, then come to let's come to filter. Okay, how filters work. You must have used or see where condition in your SQL. Like that, here we have filter. Okay, I want to from this data frame itself. Okay, from this data frame, I want to see, just a minute, let me show you the whole data frame. We have this data frame. I want to see only where the name is Rose. Okay, the data where the name is Rose, middle name is Rose. Okay, see my comment. This is also a transformation, and this is a action. Filter is a transformation, and so is action. Okay, so where I have, why I have put here the action, because I am showing you one example, right? But basically in script, when we'll write a script, there will not like to see one example. Here I am showing you just a demo, and without action, a transformation will not get performed. So that's the reason I have to put here the transformation. Okay, otherwise at the end, at the very end only, or after completing a job in a script, there can be multiple jobs. Okay, multiple blocks of codes. So after completing every block or every job, we call action. Okay. Basically I am putting it here to show you how it's work individually. So let's do the filter where the middle name equals to rows. See, I am getting the middle name is rows. See, I have put here 2 equals to. Why 2 equals to? For this, you to know this, you have to know Python, how it's work. Okay. In Python, we need to put 2 equals to match anything. Okay. Like that, I can get here equals where the salary is greater than 3,000. You will try it by yourself. And here we can use together two transformations. See, select also a transformation, filter also a transformation. I am using these two together. How? I am giving it the data frame name, this data frame name, right? Dot select transformation, where I am asking to select everything. Okay, start. Then I am doing some filter where I am asking the gender equals to m, that's mean male. Okay, and then I am putting the action because I want to see this right now. Okay, see, I get all the data, but where the gender is m. So like that it's work. And we can specify the column names in different ways. Like here I have put salary column but with double quote. The same thing I'm doing here, but I put column name like data frame name dot column name. The same thing we can do using call function. But to use call function, we have to import the call function from functions. And we can do like this way also. Df in the square bracket, we can mention the column name. So yes, that was the session for today.